Nice volcano hike. These are my ladies. They're doing mighty fine. And we are going up. Volcano hike. Trust me, Liamuiga. Stand for Fort Thailand. You wanna go that way? Yeah, it's like coming through. See? Coming around the mountain. When she comes, oh, she'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Oh, she'll be coming around the mountain. Oh, she'll be coming around the mountain. Yeah. Volcano hike. Look at that. They're coming. Come on, Marcy. I see you. Hello. Hello. You're doing fine. Two hands, Marcy. Two hands, Linda. Keep coming up.
We got it. Yeah, coming up.
Yeah. We are almost to the top of the volcano. So once you see these rocks, you know definitely you are getting there.
When's the
Boki got it.
last time it erupted?
Some 4 or 5. Yeah, so you can see you're really up high from this elevation. And you can tell you're almost at the top based on these rocks that you gotta climb. Be careful, because they're slippery.
They're slippery, they're mossy, they're bigger.
Hi ladies, this is Marcy and Linda. They're on the top of the volcano Liamuiga, stand for Fort Thailand. How was it?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. This one, Marcy, 70 years old.
70!
70!
And you made the top of the volcano.
Top of the volcano.
Oh my
We
God.
couldn't have done it without our guide, Devin.
Oh.
Yay, Devin!
Yay.
Look at the back
Thanks
of
for
it,
getting us
all the
here.
way down in the volcano. And it's lovely at the top, right?
Love at the top.
It's
Love
amazing.
At the top. And this is my birthday present.
Oh, happy birthday, Linda!
Thank you.
Woo-hoo! Look at this. Another picture, man versus the wild, naked. This will be a good spot to sleep. Yeah. Top of the volcano. Breeze is beautiful. Beautiful view of the volcano. You can see down at the bottom.
Good. No, I'm fine.
Okay.
It's just, yeah. It just,
I know how your
it was
skin
just
is.
the rock. Yeah. Just scraped my skin. I knew it happened right when it happened.
Only the fittest can survive. Yeah. Let me zoom in to all. That's the farthest I can go in. Yeah, beautiful view of the top of the volcano. Trust me. I'm on the top of Liamuiga, the fertile land of St. Kitts. The only place you can hike. I think that is in the distance. After that you have St. Bart's, around there you have St. Martin and Anguilla. Beautiful view from the top of the volcano. I can see right between there, just spot it. Yeah, right there, that's Capisterre Hill. That's Capisterre Hill, right between there. And then down there, Newton Ground. Yeah, I got St. Paul's over there. St. Paul's. Oh, if you zoom in right here, this is Ramada. Yeah, that's Ramada Hotel. See? On the top of the volcano, there are so many things you can see. Think down there, let me see if I can zoom in. You see part of water is down there, so that's La Valley. And you have down by Sandy Point down there. Zoom out. Let me see if I see my guest. Hi, ladies. Those are my guests down there. Yeah.
That's